my name is Alex Coach with GustanCho.com. I want to talk about overlays. What are they and why we don't have any, and that's why you should come to us. So an overlay might be something like a debt-to-income ratio that a bank doesn't want to exceed. So 56.9 is FHA's debt-to-income ratio on the back end, and a lot of investors stop at 50, some stop at 45. So that would be an overlay. So if you've been denied by a bank, and you might want to check to make sure it wasn't an overlay and there's another investor out there for you like us. So give us a call, let us know what happened to you, and we'll let you know if it's an overlay or if it actually is a rule and I can't help you either. A lot of times these things are overlays, so just look for a no overlay investor, and that's us. Another thing for being an overlay is a refer eligible. Most banks won't do refer eligibles. It's called a manual underwrite. The big banks out there don't do it. They don't want to manual underwrite your file. So a manual underwrite means that you got a refer eligible, and it's actually not approving you on the computer, but you pass a set of guidelines that the FHA has put out there for you, and if you pass those, the underwriter can manually approve you on top of that computer not approving you. So that's a manual underwrite, and a lot of investors have guidelines for overlays to that. And Chapter 13, if you're in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy for 1 year and you've been paying on time, then we can do that loan. That's also a manual underwrite. Most investors won't do that. Job gaps are also overlays. If you have a 6-month job gap and you have 6 months back on the job, some investors won't do that because that's what the guideline says. So you're off for more than 6 months, but you're back on the job for 6 months, and you can show a prior 2-year history of working. Some investors won't do it. They don't like that 6-month job gap. That's an overlay. So when you run into a bank denying you, give us a call. Let's make sure it's not an overlay, and if it is an overlay, we're going to be able to help you. So no overlays. Google that. Look at GustanCho.com to see all articles on no overlays. Thank you very much.